Dive into adventure. Submerge into the serene waters of Tikehau with an initiation dive that promises an unforgettable underwater journey. Nestled near the heart of Tikehau village, the dive takes you oceanside to mingle with the majestic napoleons, graceful turtles, and swift kingfish. For a mesmerizing 45 minutes at a depth no greater than 6 meters, you'll be part of the ocean's rhythm, guided by the expertise of your instructor. Personalized instruction. Your aquatic adventure begins with a warm welcome from your instructor, either at the diving center's reception or with a convenient pickup from your accommodation. Equipped with top-notch diving gear and a thorough briefing on safety and underwater communication, you're set for a dive that's as safe as it is exhilarating. With a maximum of 2 beginners per instructor, you're ensured personalized attention as you explore Tikehau's underwater marvels. Practical essentials. Prepare for your dive with a few essentials: comfortable change of clothes, sun protection, reef shoes, and of course, your sense of adventure. Remember, the itinerary may adapt to the whims of the weather, but the promise of an extraordinary experience remains constant. And while wildlife sightings are a thrilling possibility, they're never guaranteed. So, ready your swimsuit and towel, and let Tikehau Plongee lead you into the blue. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.